So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HG current user. And now you want to expand control panel. And now you want to click on desktop. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on string value. You want to call this auto end task. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. You want to double click on auto end task. And now in this box right here on the value data, you want to type in the number 1. So make sure that you have value data as 1 and then click on OK. For the last step, restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then the shutdown anyway prompt is going to be removed.